Ano raw po ba yung rule para makarenew ng open work permit ng spouse? Yung sinasabi na kailangan may 16 months pa ang visa ng work permit. Meron nga po bang ganon? At ang sagot po, ayon sa Canada.ca, yes, meron po tayong rule at ito ay existing pa ho ngayon. Sinusunod pa ngayon sa kasalukuyan ang rule na kinakailangan ay meron pang visa ang inyong work permit para ang spouse ninyo may apply para sa kanyang open work permit or para ma-renew. Basahin guys natin at huwag kayong malilito, meron pong dalawang klase guys yun, merong 6 months na lang at merong 16 months. Okay. Spouses or common law partners of high-skilled workers who are not on a pathway to permanent residence. Yan. Ito ang kailangan ninyong mga dokumento. Proof of your relationship to the principal applicant. Proof that the principal applicant can or will be legally authorized to work in Canada. Proof that the principal applicant can work in Canada for at least 16 months after we receive the open work permit application. Proof that the principal applicant is or will be working in an occupation in tier category 0-1 or in certain occupation in tier category 2 or 3 of the National Occupation Classification System. Okay guys, so 16 months pa dapat ang validity ng status ng main applicant kung kayo ay hindi po aplikante for PR. At sabi ko sa inyo, merong isa na 6 months lang ang requirement. Yan po ay sa mga family members of permanent residence applicants. Ang mga requirements doon, proof of genuine relationship, proof of the principal applicant can legally work in Canada, proof that the principal applicant can work in Canada for at least 6 months or longer than the date that the family member submits their work permit. Kung kayo ay worker at hindi permanent resident applicant, ay 16 months ang requirement po na visa ng inyong work permit. Kung magre-renew or mag-extend, halimbawa ang main applicant ay nakakuha ng bagong job o di kaya ay ni-renew ang kanyang job, ay kailangan pa rin po yung 16 months na sinasabi. Ate Menchi po ito from Toronto.